Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot lobster rolls. First, ensure you have fresh cooked lobster meat, ideally from 1 1/2 pound lobsters. Next, prepare your split-top buns. These are essential for the classic presentation. Finally, measure out 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, which we will melt down for the next steps. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get that lobster warm and buttery. In a large skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium-low heat until it's shimmering. Add your prepared lobster meat to the pan, ensuring it's evenly coated. Gently warm the lobster for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until it's heated through. Be careful not to overcook it, as this can make the lobster tough. With the lobster perfectly warmed, it's time to assemble our delicious rolls. First, butter the outsides of your split-top buns and toast them in a separate pan until they are golden brown and slightly crispy. This adds a wonderful texture and flavor. Next, generously spoon the warm, buttery lobster mixture into each toasted bun. For a final touch, sprinkle with fresh chives or parsley for a pop of color and freshness. Your hot lobster rolls are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately with your favorite side, perhaps some crispy potato chips or a fresh coleslaw. These rolls are truly best when fresh and warm, so gather your friends and family. For an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and self-emptying, perfect for pet owners. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.